The key objectives for this drill is objective 1, experience counter steering by pressing the handlebars to start a leaning turn. Objective number 2, learn and apply the 3 phases of proper corner. And objective number 3, learn the Salper method for cornering. Now, I know that's an ugly acronym, but it's gonna make sense when you get the training, I promise. In order to be successful for this drill, focus on looking through the turn. Do not look at the ground. Remember, where you look is where you go. 2, focus on counter steering. You can apply varying degrees of pushing pressure to change your path of travel. I want you to trust your bike and lean in alignment with the turn, since this drill will be conducted at road speeds between 16 to 20 miles an hour. 3, ride by method, not by feel. You're gonna do this so that you can program the right mental frameworks during riding into your brain until they become second nature and automatic. Now, to set this drill up, you can use any parking lot or a road that has a curve or an arc. Simply create a cone barrier that follows that arc, just like you see on your screen. By the end of this training, you'll be able to identify and navigate corners using proper cornering techniques and complete the drill that you see on your screen right now. What's up, Moto Heroes? Let's talk about how do we take turns. If you were doing the MSF, they would call this pressing to initiate and adjust lean. We're gonna go a little bit more in depth than that. And the reason why is, I don't want you to just be successful in a parking lot. I want you to be successful on the road. Now, in all the time that I've been riding, when I'm taking a corner, I've never had an issue where I've crashed. I've never gone wide in a turn. I've never went too wide where I had to hit brakes and almost freak out. I haven't had those issues. So this cornering methodology that I use, I promise you it works. But there's really only 2 things you need to know to be successful during this time. That's counter steering, and that's how do we think about a turn, and what do we do when it's time to turn on this motorcycle. I'm gonna get to that. But let's talk about counter steering. So if you want an exact definition of counter steering, Google it or go look in the workbook. I'm not here to give you some super scientific explanation. What I'm here to do is give you something super simple, easy to remember that actually works while you're out on the road and on your bike. Counter steering works like this. There's only 2 things you need to know about counter steering. Number 1, counter steering kicks in when the motorcycle hits around 16 miles an hour and up. That's when you'll feel it. Number 2, counter steering works like this. If I want to go to the right, I'm going to push to the right. If I want to go to the left, I'm going to push to the left. Let me show you. So if I'm riding, and I want to go to the left, and I want you to try this at home. Get on your bike and push. Push to the left and watch what happens. Watch what happens to the weight of the bike. If I push to the left, that bike starts to lean left. I got weight right there. Same thing. If I push to the right, that bike starts to tilt to the right. Super simple. That's what's gonna happen at road speeds, okay? You wanna go left, counter steering says push left. You wanna go right, push right. Here's what you're not gonna do. When you're riding a motorcycle, if you wanna go right and you try to turn that handlebar right, you're gonna go left. That's why it's called counter steering. Because if I'm riding and I try to turn my motorcycle like this to the right, what's gonna happen is when I'm trying to turn to go to the right, the bike's gonna go to the left. But notice what's happening when I try to turn to the right. When I try to turn to the right, this hand is pushing the left, okay? So that is why it's called counter steering. So instead, if I wanted to turn to the right, I would push to the right. Pushing to the right is the same thing as turning to the left. It gets confusing if we try to be too detailed. Keep it simple. Want to go right? Push right. Want to go left? Push left. I want you to think about your corners in 3 different phases. I want you to think before the turn. I want you to think during the turn. And I want you to think exiting the turn. Before the turn, we're focused on 2 things. Number 1, we're focused on the speed. We want to have an appropriate speed to enter that corner. Most likely, or most of the time, what you're going to want to focus on is you want to come in the corner slow. You never want to come in the corner fast. It is easier to speed up in a corner by going from a closed throttle to a neutral throttle, or slightly opening that throttle up just a little bit. It's easier to go faster in a corner. than it is to slow down in a corner. So first thing we're focused on in a corner is speed. We want to slow that bike down, reduce that speed, scrub that speed, whatever you want to call it. Come in slow. The second thing is we want to apex the turn. Remember, apex is out, in, out. So what that means is if I'm going to take a left-hand turn, I want to position my bike on the outside of that turn. What's the opposite of left? Right. So if I want to take a left-hand turn, I'm going to come in from the right side of that corner. That's it. That is it. Speed, apex. S-A. Speed, apex. So, Moto Heroes, what do we do before we come into the corner? Think about it. What do? We just talked about it. S-A, speed, apex. 1, we check our speed. 2, we position the bike for apex. That's it. You already got 33% of this thing down. Now, when we're in the turn, what do we do? Very easy. Look, push, lean, roll. Those are the 4 things we focus on. Look, push, lean, roll. What do we do during the turns? What do we do during the turn, Moto Heroes? Look, push, lean, roll. So let's go back to our example. If I'm taking a right-hand turn, what am I gonna do? Number 1, boom, I'm gonna slow down, scrub that speed. 2, I'm gonna position that bike for apex. That's before the turn. Now that I'm in that turn, that right-hand turn, what am I gonna do? Look right, push right, lean right, roll from a closed throttle to a neutral throttle. Look, push, lean, roll. Let's start over again. What am I gonna do before the turn? S-A, speed, apex. I'm gonna check my speed, position the bike for apex. Now that I'm in the turn, what am I gonna do? Look, push, lean, roll. Roll to a neutral throttle, okay? Now, when I'm exiting that turn, there's only 2 things I gotta do. Push the opposite way. So if I'm going right, I'm leaning right, I wanna pick that bike up to the left, what am I gonna do? Push to the left, counter steer my way back up, right? Push to the left. I'm in a neutral throttle because I'm taking a neutral throttle throughout my whole turn. And when that bike is back up, I can go ahead and add some more throttle. So that's it. Let's run through it again. What am I gonna do before the turn? 2 things, focus on speed and apex, okay? Before my turn, boom, I'm gonna drop my speed. 2, I'm gonna position that bike to apex, the turn, okay? Now that I'm in the turn, what am I gonna do? Look, push, lean, roll. Okay, now I'm coming out of my turn. I'm ready to exit. What am I gonna do? Push, roll, easy. Let's run through it if we're taking a left-hand turn. If I'm taking a left-hand turn, I'm coming into my corner. What am I doing? Boom, checking speed, slowing down. Vroom. What am I gonna do then? Position the bike. So if I'm taking that left-hand turn, where am I positioning the bike? On the outside. That's the right side of that cone, right? The right side of that corner. Speed, apex. Now I'm in my left-hand turn. What am I gonna do? Look left, push left, lean left, roll from closed to neutral. All right, I'm ready to exit my turn. What am I gonna do? Push right, roll to open throttle. One more time, and then I'm gonna do it. I'm taking a left-hand turn. What am I gonna do? I'm making these sound effects because I want you to listen to it when I do it. I want you to listen to the engine on this bike. I'm taking a left-hand turn. What am I gonna do? First thing, drop that speed. Okay, what am I gonna do? I'm taking a left-hand turn. Position that bike on the right. Bike is positioned on the right. Now I'm going left. What am I gonna do? Look left, push left, lean left, roll, close to neutral. I'm ready to exit that turn. What am I gonna do? Push right. I'm back up from neutral to open. All right, now that I've said that like 50 times, let me demonstrate it for you. Speed, position, look, push, lean, roll. Push, roll. One more time. Listen to that engine. Watch that speed drop on the first 2 positions, on the first 2 points of Corner entry. Listen to speed and watch the position. Speed. Position. Look, push, lean, roll. Push, roll. One more time. Speed, position. Look, push, lean, roll. Push, roll. Speed drop. Speed, position. Look, push, lean, roll. Hear that engine? Hear that engine change? Push, roll.